Start by taking a comfortable seat on a cushion, on the ground, or in a chair. Sitting tall yet relaxed, like the top of your head is gently drawn up by an invisible string. Take a deep breath in and out. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out this time, allow your eyes to close. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm, and follow each breath from the beginning of inhalation all the way to the end of exhalation. And now bringing your attention to the center of your chest around your heart. With your awareness here, see if you can develop a sensation of ease, friendship, and warmth towards yourself. Allow this feeling to flow through you freely. Now in your mind's eye, imagine a person that you feel warmly towards. It may be a close friend or partner, someone who makes you happy when you think of them. Hold them in your attention and generate feelings of loving kindness towards them as you continue to breathe naturally. Though we're focusing the feeling of warmth and loving kindness on others, the brain benefits from these feelings as though we were feeling them ourselves. We relax, feel calmer, and improve our health. Now imagining someone who you know less well, someone you just have a neutral feeling toward. Maybe a person you just met, or someone at work you see in passing. With this person in your mind's eye, see if you can send feelings of loving kindness to them. Now bring to mind someone that you find to be a difficult person, someone who makes you feel uncomfortable, or who may have caused you negative feelings or pain in the past. Hold an image of this person in your mind, and as best you can, try to develop feelings of warmth and loving kindness towards them. And finally, opening your awareness wider to include the room and local area, and finally holding the whole world in your attention and sending out feelings of warmth and loving kindness to everybody in every direction. Now bringing the attention back to the body. Just getting an overall feeling of how you're feeling in this moment. Maybe noticing how you feel now compared to before the practice. Noting how it feels to generate feelings of loving kindness and direct them at yourself and others. And when you're ready, bringing your attention back to the space around you, back to the room. Slowly bringing movement into your hands and feet. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too.